Hi, my name is Appel. Like you, I started alone. I had just begun earning my first real salaries in Switzerland. For the first time in my life, I wasn't just surviving. I had money. But that joy didn't last. Because of my background in economics, I quickly realized that money sitting in a bank account was dying. Not slowly, violently. Real inflation, easily 20% per year. And let's put that into perspective. If you earn 100,000 a year, that's 20,000 euro of purchasing power stolen from you every single year. Imagine someone coming to your house every year to take 20k from you. You wouldn't be happy, would you? And that's what's happening with inflation. I like to say, and you should, to consider inflation as theft. So like you, every Swiss francs, every euro saved was losing value silently every single day. So I started searching. I read everything I could about finance, watched every piece of content on financial education. Maybe, even like you, I tried real estate, opened some stock portfolios, bought a bit of gold. I looked at life insurance, and of course, ventured into crypto. And just like many others, I got lost in the chaos of noise, Telegram groups, YouTube pseudo-influencers, and scams dressed up as opportunities. I made mistakes, I bought some altcoins, I lost money, and to be honest with you, I felt like there was no real guidance, no clear path, only complexity, hype, and fear. If like me, you have been through it, you understand my feelings. But that frustration turned into obsession. I didn't want opinions, I wanted truth. So I went back to school. I earned a master's degree in international wealth management from the prestigious Paris Dauphine University, one of the top finance schools in Europe. I wrote my thesis comparing every major asset class. I got certified by the French Financial Market Authority, the equivalent of the CFA or FINMA in Switzerland. And after my master, I went for Alira Blockchain School, where I learned the inner workings of crypto, Web3, and Bitcoin, and supervised a full crypto project as a project lead. And you know what? There is no other investment in the world that offers better long-term risk-adjusted returns than Bitcoin. Or say it differently, for finance experts, a higher Sharpe ratio than any other traditional investment. There is no other stronger protection against monetary debasement, aka inflation, aka theft. And what does that mean for you? You shouldn't try to invest in everything. You should start with Bitcoin and likely only Bitcoin. This isn't hype, this is math. And this is the best asymmetric bet of your entire life. It means that you can put small amount and hope for great returns. That's why I founded two companies, Réserve Wealth Advisory in France and Réserve Bitcoin Wealth in Switzerland. Because I was tired of watching people get lost and burned like I once did. Tired of seeing families lose decades of savings to inflation and bad advice. Tired of watching professionals almost take the leap and then freeze out of fear. I gave up comfort to build this structure, to give you the clarity, the support, and the results I never had. So what we offer? Me and my team of trainers are your guides on the road to financial freedom. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, we help you build your strategy the right way. No fluff, no trading, pure strategy and education. You won't need a month of studying or years of trial and error. In just 1 month, we make you autonomous for life. That means less time worrying about money, more time with your family, more peace of mind now and for your kids later. Yes, especially for your kids or your future kids, because Bitcoin is the greatest financial gift you can prepare for them. It's not just an investment, it's an inheritance of freedom. And you may now ask yourself, why do this with you? And that's a fair question. Yes, you could try to figure this out alone, but you won't get the clarity, the depth, and all the alignment you're really looking for. What makes me different isn't just my financial expertise, It's my deep love for personal development, esoteric wisdom, and real human transformation. I'm not just a consultant, I'm a speaker, a motivator, and a community builder. I host in-person events that mix education, business club, and human connection. Because learning should move both your mind, your heart, and even your body. Yes, you heard me. If you come in Geneva or even online to our events, you might be invited to dance a little, give handshakes, and smile, even meditate from time to time. But most importantly, you will receive the kind of knowledge you won't find for free on YouTube or at a crazy expensive cost at the university. By doing all that, I naturally attract and love helping those who are on a growth path, coaches, therapists, entrepreneurs, or simply people who want to live with more clarity, purpose, and peace. So by now, you might understand that this isn't just about crypto. This isn't just financial strategy. This is about aligning your money with the person you are becoming. Because when your finances are clear, your vision expands and freedom follows. Now, I'm here to guide you. It's time to start your journey, even with a small amount, even if you are unsure, because the worst decision is doing nothing. You know what we say? What you're not changing, you're choosing. Book your first free session or join the online training program now. Let's build your financial freedom step by step, but starting today. Thank you.